Friends, Running Kimono here. Walgreens curbside for August the 9th to the 15th. You're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, lovingly known as a curbside pickup. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check as well. Now, if you are not about that type of shopping, you want to be in store with register rewards and you want to see what you're buying, I get you. I hear you. Watch yesterday's video. I'll link it at the very end. Lots of deals are register rewards only, which can only be done in store. So I will link that at the very end. Well, I was in store yesterday. Lots of cold and flu items, like 75 to 90% off. Nasacort 120 sprays. We have a $5 digital. It made this 79 cents. Never tried this product before. A couple weeks ago, I got one really cheap at Dollar General. If you suffer from allergies, it is the real deal. A+ product. Another item that I found quite a few of are these, I think it's a 30 count. What is that? Yeah, 30 lozenges of this menthol, $1. It's not printing back the 5 when you buy 2, that store register reward, but for both of these products for like $1 and some change, not bad. Yesterday, I did pop into one of my Dollar Generals. They've had this massive penny list, and I found, I think, 60 foil pans or whatever that is, metal pans, and then some styrofoam plates. I'm going to link some videos at the end as well if you are interested in this. The pennies are still to be found, and like, look at this. Pretty amazing. Okay, back to Walgreens. I'm going to let you guys know too, before we get into this, you might have to log out and log back into your app. Lots of bugs and issues where things were not loading properly. And I was getting this message as well where I couldn't load coupons, but then like a Nora Ephron movie, everything came together in the last 10 minutes. So just be mindful of that. It's a little bit buggy. Okay, so the first deal we're going to talk about, you have to do it. Today is the last day, which is August the 10th for the following 2 deals, because this friend expires today, which is August the 10th. It is a spend 45 to earn back 15 on P&G products. We're also going to load this, a 5 back when you buy 3 P&G dental care, and then an additional 5 back when you buy 3 body care products by Olay, Old Spice, That Good Company. Let's just jog quickly through the chorus line. We have 3 of the Olay body wash. Load a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, and you're going to get $5 of Walgreens cash. Plus, this is tracking for the spend 45 to earn back 15. All of these items are. And then we're also going to toss into our card 3 of these Cress at $4 a pop. We have an additional 5 off a 3 digital coupon. Please make sure you load that. When you buy 3 of these products, you're getting $5 back of Walgreens cash. So you have to load those boosters that I showed you, and I think most accounts probably got them last Wednesday. And we're also going to toss in, to get the math to balance, one of these Tide Pods for $12.99. There's a $3 digital. Alternatively, you could grab like a Downy at $12.99 with a $3, a Tide Liquid for $12.99 with a $3 digital. Anything in this denomination, but I went with Tide Pods just to be unoriginal. And then just to show you our gorgeous chorus line, using the code WAG10, we're saving an additional $3.60. And this is our gorgeous chorus line of coupons melting off. So the subtotal is $48.99, subtracting WAG10, which is $3.60. The new subtotal is $45.39. So for the spend 45 to earn back 15, you are right there. $13 in manufacturers melting off. With your debit or credit card, you're going to pay $35.11, get back $20. This is a super deal. Remember, do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using a spend booster, which is spend 45 to earn back 15. So this next deal, if you don't want that first basket, this is just an alternative basket using the spend 45 to earn back 15, a 5 back when you buy 2 fancier Olay or Old Spice, And the final item that we're tossing into this is for deodorants, earn back $4 in Walgreens cash. Just a different sort of assortment. So for this one, we're going to be tossing in 4 of these secret deodorants at $8.79. Buy one, get one 50% off. We have a 5 off of 3 plus a 3 off of 1. So that's $8 in digitals melting off. Additionally, you'll get $4 of Walgreens cash. Additionally, it's part of the $45 basket. So not bad. And then the final item is 2 of the Old Spice men's body wash. Double, triple check IBOTTA and hang on to your receipt in case there might be a rebate for this. 2 of these is $26 with the 7 off of 2 coupon. And then you're getting $5 of Walgreens cash for buying 2 of these friends. So between the secret and this, that's $9. And then just to show you guys, we have our gorgeous chorus line of coupons. Additionally, using the code WAG10, saving $1.90. Okay, so the total here is $52.36. Subtracting that $1.90, you're at $50.46. So you are technically still there for the spend $45 to earn back $15. You have $15 in digitals melting off. So with the tax, $38.49, getting back $24.52 in Walgreens cash. Not a bad deal. Remember not to use Walgreens cash, debit or credit card only to pay down the balance. So for the last couple of deals, you can do these that's not specific because it's not involving a booster. If your register rewards never print, we can do this one curbside. If you do this in store with the Axe, you're going to get a $2 register reward, I believe. So you pick how you want to do it, but 2 of these bricks is $11.23 and we have a 7 off 2 coupon. You will not get any Walgreens cash for this. We're also going to throw in 2 of the Degree Men's for $11.58, and we have an 8 off of 2, which is a very high value coupon for that. So yeah, load that coupon. And then the final item we're going to toss into your cart is 2 of these Listerine mouth rinses. Buy 2 of these online, get back $4 in Walgreens cash, and these are on to go, so you put them in your purse, that sort of a thing. It's kind of like a disposable little product. Okay, class, our subtotal here is $28.81. WAG 10's taking off $1.38. We have $15 in digitals. We have 7 for Axe and 8 for Degree. So pay $14.08 or use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $4.08, and then you're getting $4 back for the Listerine deal of buy 2, get $4 back. Not bad. So for this next deal, it's a little weird. Some accounts might have the right coupons and some might not. This Propel, grabbing 2 of them. My main account had a 2 off of 2, but my husband's didn't. So either way, it's still a good deal. I'm going to show it to you without, but if you might have it, it makes it like an extra $2 cheaper. We're going to throw in 2 of these Gatorades, and we have a buy one, get one free that's going to take 4 off of 2. So you're going to throw those in. And to get the pricing to work, you need to grab them in increments of 2, and then 2 of the Propels and 2 of the Gatorades. We're also going to toss in 2 of these Ruffles for $5. Price of 1 is usually $5.49, so that is not cheap. And then just to get the basket to balance, 2 of these Listerine on the goes. Buy 2, get $4 back in Walgreens cash. The overall total for this basket is $19. WAG 10 taking $1.50 off. Now you're either going to get $6 in manufacturers if you have both coupons for the drinks or just the 4. Pay $13.82 and get $4 back. If you want to use up to $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Just a quick little basket with some drinks, some chips, and some Listerine on the go. It's the perfect road trip basket for the summer. The final basket that we're looking at is number 5. And this one involves the buy 2, get 2 for free on Coke products. We never really see these prices. Because I'm in Michigan, you're going to see a very hefty recycling fee added to this. For every pack of 12, I have to pay an additional $1.20. It's an incentive to recycle the cans. If you want to use up to $20 in Walgreens cash, go for it. So you're either going to pay $20.93 if you're in a state with a really hefty recycling fee. Mine is $28.78. So if you want to stock up for for your household, or if you're having like a party end of the summer or middle of the summer, This is not a bad price point. The Dollar General video linked right here, and yesterday's in-store video linked right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.